So it's currently 10 p.m. and I just bought the new iPhone 11 and I can't wait to unbox until tomorrow, so we are going to do the unboxing right now because I'm super excited. I can't even talk properly, so for those who don't know, I'm sorry, I just really can't talk. I'm using currently the iPhone 6s, and due to some troubles that I have with them battery wise, the buttons didn't work, the storage is very low, so therefore I decided that it was time to make a big investment. Oh my god, I can't talk, I'm sorry. After 5 years of this little guy, we are going to, well, meet this little one. I can't believe it's real, honestly. I'm still like, I just don't know. So with the iPhone, I bought everything on 𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒄𝒕'𝒅. So with the iPhone, I also bought these two accessories. The case, it's just a clear case, and the protector, it was a tempered glass. And yeah, I'm going to apply it now here, but first of all, let's go to the unboxing. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. It is just so beautiful. Oh my god. This is the case. Okay, so I don't want to take it off because I feel like I'm just gonna ruin it already. Okay. Okay. It's mine. Comes with the phone, something in here with some instructions, I would guess, and everything, and some stickers. Then it has the charger, also protected earphones, and then the charger as well. I was in the need of some good charge. So I'm gonna put everything aside for now, and we're going to take out this beauty. Oh my. Are you ready for some ASMR moment? Get one left wrong without you. Oh my god, the phone is just so beautiful. I can't. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is to unboxing this tempered glass, and I'm going to already put it because I don't want anything bad to happen. So I bought this one, as you can see, for an iPhone 11. It's tempered. Yeah, of course I couldn't open these at the first try. It's fine, just open like this. And it comes with these two wipes, the dried one and the wet one, and then the glass in here. As you can see, I already applied the tempered glass. It's not focusing, but it's fine. I already did it. And okay. Oh my, I'm just so excited. I don't know where to look. Oh my, I'm just not sure of anything at this point. Let's try to open the iPhone to turn it on. It's turning on. I'm so excited. Hello, sir. Oh my, hi. Olá. Oh, Portuguese. You can see. Hello. Oh, I'm so excited. What the hell? Swipe to open. Gonna be English. Select your country. Portugal. Quick start if you have an iPhone running, or later if you want you can also set up manually. Bring it nearby to... You have to also turn on your Bluetooth and it appears this message, so you just say continue, connecting. Oh my, waiting for the... Hold this iPhone up to the camera position, the circle. Oh my, this is such a cool technology innovation thingy. I was not ready for this. Now I'm just waiting because this iPhone decided to die and I was just getting the information transferred, but then it just stopped and well, everything was a mess. So I reset this iPhone and then I'm trying to just do some kind of backup again like it was doing, but I stopped it because the iPhone decided to go to sleep. So yeah, long story short, I'm resetting my new iPhone. It just looks so beautiful. Look, and big. It's very big. It's not very big, but it's bigger than this one, so I just know the difference. You know. But I'll come back to you in a bit. I also found this tool that I found it was very useful because the actual box do not come with this, strangely enough, but I would advise you to just use a clip if you don't have one of these. I fortunately have, so that's what I'm gonna be using to just put my card, my SIM card on my phone. And yeah, everything just looks so beautiful. Such a huge difference. I wasn't like ready for such a difference. I don't know if that makes sense, but transfer complete. Continue. Now what? My iPhone just decided, okay, there you go, honey. I'm so excited. Can you just hurry, please? I want to play. Oh my god, so much games that I can have. Haven't thought about it because I literally can't have anything on this phone. So I was just so excited for the huge amount of storage that I now have. I don't know what to say anymore. So is just saying hello in many languages now, so I'm going to swipe up. Oh, hi, Portuguese. Hola. I'm going to swipe up. Restored completed. Your iPhone was restored successfully. There are just a few more steps to follow and then you finished. Recent apps, quickly access control, swipe down. Yeah, they just basically give you quick up instructions how to use the iPhone, and then it just says welcome to iPhone. Well, swipe up to get started. Oh my god. And it is my phone, like this was my background picture. I'm going to set everything up and then I'm gonna be doing a video on how worthy is the phone, like testing the cameras and everything. Just a further like investigation of the phone, because right now it's 11 p.m. But I just couldn't wait any longer to show you the iPhone and for me to have it. I'm sorry, I'm just amazed. Okay, well, that's it. Bye, I'll see you in the next video.